Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen of crypto. Welcome to JJ's Crypto Corner. Happy Sunday. It's afternoon. Some stuff's pumping, some stuff's dumping. Let's get into it. Let's see what we got. Guys, I'm going to go over our goals really quick. We got face reveal goal option 1. We are at 140 subscribers. You guys are killing it. That's 23% of face reveal goal option 1. Option 2, we are at 145 US dollars out of a $500 goal. That is 29%. The US dollar goal is 500. The subscriber goal is 600. You guys are killing it. I appreciate you guys for being here. Let's fucking go. Get that out of the way. Bitcoin is curling to the upside. This is what we wanted to see. We got a little retest of 68. Didn't break it. Held it. Lovely. That's awesome. Let's go. Number go up. Let's go on a higher time frame. 4 hour. Welcome, welcome, welcome. It is Sunday afternoon. And Sundays are usually dumpy, but for some reason, today, this Sunday, is pumpy, which is very exciting. Yeah. Bitcoin, I mentioned yesterday that it's probably going to do the exact same thing that it did here. And it did that exact same thing. It was a lot smaller, though. Look at these 3 candles. Mimic these 3 candles. But it had a lot more, like, bullish upside momentum to it. Which is pretty sick. So we got that. That looks good. I'm very happy with it, if I'm being totally honest. The bull fractal is still in the lead, thoroughly winning. Pretty sure the bear fractal has been invalidated. Pretty hard invalidated. But that's okay. We like that. Total 3, following my drawing perfectly until today. Today it started to curl up, which is the opposite of what I drew. So maybe if I just did this. Oh well. We're excited for total 3. Drew said, short Solana, not financial advice. Do your own research. Drew, how dare you? I just woke up. It's Sunday. I got coffee. It's delicious. And we're going through the coins. Ooh, ETH got a 2% pump. Wow. Did Bitcoin do that? No, Bitcoin only got 30% or 30.3 of 1%. Interesting. Sol is getting some upside. ADA's getting some upside. ADA did the 2% candle too. Very cool. Snack did a 5% candle. Wow. Sui 1.3% and then 1.87. So Sui is doing wonderful. We like Sui. C, very similar setup to Sui. Cass is holding this longer term trend, which makes me hopeful. Drew said, I love Sol. It's just based off SR levels. I don't know what SR means. I could pick some not so nice words to make it into an acronym. Stupid something. And it would be funny, but I'm not going to say that on live because I'll get in trouble. Even though I was born and raised in the 90s where that word was normalized. Chainlink is going up. Guys, I told you Chainlink is the only oracle I like. I think it's a winner. People complain about it because it's a little choppy sideways, but it's a high cap, so it is what it is. Polkadot did exactly what we said it was going to do, guys. It broke above that shorter term trend line. Let's fucking go. Let's get some hearts. Guys, hit the like button for Polkadot. Polkadot did exactly what Doge did. We watched Doge do this, and we said everything else has the same exact pattern. The short-term trend and the longer-term trend. I bet you Polygon's going to do the same thing. Polygon's going to explode right above this. It's going to go up. What is that? What is that trade? Watch this play out, guys. Don't do this trade just because I said it. But I bet you there's going to be an 11% trade to be had on Polygon. That's my theory. Near is going to do the same thing. It's going to poke right back above the shorter term trend, which is also going to be a 11% move. We're looking at 11% day coming up soon, I think, on all these alts, guys. Again, I'm just speculating, so don't trade just because I said these words, but that is my speculative response to what's going on. Guys, we got 140 subs. You guys are killing it with the subscribers. Let me show it off again. We got a couple more people in here really quick. We are at 23% of the subscriber goal, which is 600 subscribers. We currently have 140. And then we have 145 US dollars, which is 29% of the US dollar goal of 500 US dollars. You guys are killing it. Keep it up. It's pretty sick. Appreciate you. Let's go back here. Bitcoin looks good. Let's go pull up our liquidation heat map and see what we got. Oh, it's looking a little bit different today. That's good. Looking a little more organic. We got 68.38, 67.890. So let me go do that. Uh-oh. I think I cleaned off the dirty chart and I didn't put everything back. Whoopsie. $68.38. So that is pretty far down there still, which I'm kind of okay with. Make this one because it's not huge, and I'll also make it green. And then 60. Let's go to the big one. Yeah, the ones that are at less than 20, I'm just going to leave them alone. 67,747. And then 67,553. 747,553. And then above, we got, I'm not going to do it unless it's above 20. Okay. I mean, above, we only have 69,104. Okay. I'll do this one too, I guess. 69,782 and 104. 104, 782. 104 and then 782. Okay. This one's a big one right here. This one, the one at the 104. So I'll make that a little bit bigger. Mr. Anderson said, whatever you do, don't buy Popper, Scamicus coin. Guys, Clint somehow managed to get himself a Phantom wallet, which is exciting. We're excited for him. But he's now aping into several hour-old Solana shitters, and he's somehow winning. We don't know if it's beginner's luck. We've tried to get in contact with his wife. No one's heard from her. We do believe that Clint gave her unlimited use of the credit card and sent her to Target. So we're waiting to hear back from her. But as of right now, Clint is running rampant in Solana shitters. We're a little bit concerned. It's time for an intervention. We got 3 people watching, guys. Hit the like button. Appreciate you guys for being here. I got hot coffee. It is absolutely delicious. It's Sunday afternoon. We're watching Bitcoin curl up. We're watching alts get a little pumpy. It's getting fun out here. Total 3 is just doing its thing. Guys, Total 3 almost followed this exact line that I drew. I'm still tripping about that. Still tripping about it. Let's go to some articles, guys. Forewarning, shield your eyes. These articles do not have night mode, so they will make you blind. So I'm giving you a fair warning. Put your sunglasses on. Put the veil in front of your iPad or your phone or your computer or whatever you're watching, because you'll be able to see the image through this, even if you have like daylight canceling fucking curtains. These websites are so bright that you'll be able to see it still. 3 signs Bitcoin's parabolic phase with a $250,000 target is about to begin. Bitcoin's price has climbed 55% so far in 2024, including 12.5% gains in October. Its recent increases have been fueled by an overall improving risk-on sentiment, led by better-than-expected Wall Street earnings. Bitcoin price will hit 100K in 2025. A fractal suggests. Let's take a look at this fractal. Very interesting. They're just measuring the actual like price rise percentage. That's kind of funny. Jeez. I mean, I'll take it. 240K, that's sick. Bitcoin price update. The downtrend is over. Consolidation and accumulation is almost done. Now it's time for the parabolic phase. Ted Pillows. Everybody knows Ted Pillows. I've never heard of him. What do you guys say? Have you guys heard of Ted Pillows? Drew said, damn it, I can't find my headphones. That's sad. I use earbuds when I do music and sound and stuff. I do gotta get a nice pair of headphones though for the stream. Bitcoin whale data shows pre-COVID rally behavior. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay. They're stacking up, guys. Stacking up. Stablecoin dominance is declining. Let's use that to transition into our next article. You also said, I'm cooking for my family right now, and as every other generic millennial, I need to be constantly distracted by content. Of course, of course, of course. Tether's USDT hits record $120 billion market cap, flashing October signal. Look at he's fat, just laying on his bed. That bed is clearly too small. The 120 billion USDT market cap could spill into Bitcoin and Ether. I hate it when they say Ether, guys. It's ridiculous. Either say ETH or Ethereum. Don't add 2 letters. It's pointless. Ending their 7-month downtrend and saving the October narrative. Tether's United States dollar-denominated stablecoin has surpassed the record $120 billion market cap for the first time, signaling a potential crypto rally. The world's largest stablecoin surpassed the $120 billion mark on October 20th, according to the firm's website, which offers live updates of the stablecoin supply. Very cool. Can 120 billion USDT catalyze the October Bitcoin rally? Of course it can. What a stupid question. Can Bitcoin stage a breakout before the end of October? I think it can. Apparently it has. 7.77% is pretty sick. Although, like we've shown, the average returns would signal a price target of 80,500. So let's see if we can get that. We got, what do we got? Just over 10 more days left of October? We got 11 more days left of October. Let's see what happens. Tony Rosas said, yo, what up, Tony Rosas? We just woke up. It is 1:25 p.m. on a Sunday. We're drinking coffee. We're looking at Bitcoin. We're reading some articles. Good morning. Hit the like button on your way in. I appreciate you. You guys are killing it with the like button and the subscribers. Keep that shit up. It keeps me motivated. That helps me justify the several, possibly thousands of dollars that I spent on this computer. All right. Next article. 556 million in spot Bitcoin ETF inflows signals major shift in investor sentiment. Bitcoin ETFs see record daily inflows as institutional investors drive adoption and Bitcoin's ongoing price surge. Spot Bitcoin ETFs in the United States witnessed their most significant single-day inflows in over 120 days on October 14th, which was 6 days ago apparently, with more than $500 million pouring into the funds. Bitcoin's price topped 67,800. Its highest in more than 3 months. ETF store president Nate Something described the event as a landmark day for spot Bitcoin ETFs, noting that they were approaching 20 billion in net inflows over the previous 10 months. Simply ridiculous and blows away every pre-launch demand estimate. This is not degen retail money, in my opinion. It's investors and institutional investors continuing to slowly adopt, he wrote. What the fuck's wrong with degen retail money? Cocksucker. Degen retail money is what keeps your fucking... That's what propped up your entire market to begin with, to allow this to happen. We're now approaching something like 20 billion in Bitcoin inflows, a figure it took gold more than 4 years to reach. Given the properties that have made Bitcoin the best performing asset of the last decade, it's no surprise that demand for it through ETFs has been so strong. So, demand for Bitcoin ETFs is high. Let's see. Tony Rosa said, real pump or another tease? Zero said, yo, what's going on, Zero? Happy Sunday. I don't know. Is it Monday for you? I don't remember. I don't remember if you guys are that far in the future. Drew said, I think takeout. Tony Rosa said, if Sol hits 1K, we will get a $10 to $15 jupe? Question mark, question mark? Well, not. Bitcoin pump, only 200. Bitcoin price analysis sees rematch with 2021 record high versus S&P 500. I do believe that this is specifically talking about the ratio between Bitcoin and the S&P. We are in a giant, I would call that a bull flag. To be clear, that blue zone is still valid potential resistance, but it's also a price target. Of course, of course. We'll see how it plays out. Guys, I really want breakfast. Bitcoin will now try to retest the top of its resistance in a new support. Generally, Bitcoin just needs to stay above 66.4 to enjoy a bullish weekly close. So let's put that on our chart, guys. We do got the weekly close coming up here today at 8 p.m., which is in 6 hours and 32 minutes. What did this guy say? 66.4? That seems like I pulled that out of my ass number. 66.4. What? I'm going to make this pink, I guess, because what the fuck is this random ass number? So guys, as long as we stay above this number, I suppose, we're still bullish. According to this guy. Gary Gensler's here. Gary Gensler. Nothing's going on here. We are observing the future of finance. Go away, Mr. Gensler. Nobody likes you. Unless you're a plant and you're doing everything that you're doing on purpose to solidify the cryptocurrency market's future. Which in that case, you're kind of an OG. That's actually pretty cool. I've seen the videos of you talking about Algorand and stuff, and cryptocurrency being like the next big thing, so that's pretty funny. Gary Gensler showing up in chat. I gotta contact my lawyers, guys. Give me 1 second. All right, guys. Let's go through this is Mr. Gensler's favorite pastime. TradeFi? No, Mr. Gensler. We're talking about meme coins. Sir. Please enjoy while we ape our life savings into these obvious rugs. Let's sort by volume. Guys, Clint is out here shilling Wispy and Pupper. I believe he's about to retire a third time. Where did Pupper go? Am I crazy? There's Pupper. Let's see. Mr. Anderson and Clint have been degenning into these crazy meme coins. This thing's going nuts. I do like the picture. The picture's quite adorable, but it's like less than 6 hours old. Tony Rosas said, gotta hold 66.417 to stay bullish. See, that's what's crazy to me. Like, why is it 66.417? In my opinion, we gotta hold 67.265. We gotta stay above this blue line to stay bullish. Am I crazy? Am I crazy for thinking that way? 66.417. I don't know. Everyone's got their own number. It is what it is. Guys, we got 10 people here. Just Have Fun Yo said, yo. I think I call him Just Have Fun Yo because every time he shows up, he says yo, and I read the whole thing. It's the single syllable words. They're fucking with my head. Guys, we got 9 people watching. I think we have less than 9 likes. Hit the like button. It is a requirement. We are only at 33% like button ratio. Zero said disco retirement never ends. Of course. Tony Rosa said you got to read the 78 cents. Of course. Guys, Clint is aping his life savings into Wispy as we speak. He's out of control. Just Have Fun said, yo. What's going on, Just Have Fun? Pupper completely rugged. These guys are degenning into rugs. This is a cute little puppy. Look at him, he's a little chunker. Look at all the pictures I already got. But it's a rug. Don't buy this. It's dangerous. Guys, be careful with really, really young sold memes. And make sure you check the holders. Make sure that like the top holders can't just rug the entire liquidity pool. There's a lot of stuff to look out for. Just know if you're investing in soul memes, there's a good chance you're going to get completely rugged. So don't invest your entire life savings into them. The closer said, liked it. What's your take on Carrot? Is that on Sol? Where's it at? Tell me where it's at. Carrot on ETH, I'm assuming. 5 months, 2 months, market cap 1.6 million, 6.3K. So 80. Yeah, I'm going to assume it's the one on ETH. Let me know that that is correct. Carrot on ETH. Let's do some TA. I'm a simple TA guy. I like my TA just based on the RSI. I do see the RSI is starting to flatten out in relation to the price action, so there is a potential for bullish divergence on the 4-hour later. At the moment, though, earlier there was bullish div. Right here, price went up, RSI went down. So there was bullish div there. I would argue that that's playing out right now. Let's go to the daily. There is bearish div on the daily. So be careful with that. Oh no, I guess there isn't. I guess there isn't. I'm incorrect. Ignore that. Because this would start down here. Okay, there is very faint bearish div on the daily. But again, you could have said that that played out right here. Because when you put this up here, this goes down here now. So yeah, the bearish div might have played out already on the daily. Let's go down to the 1 hour. Interesting. Nothing alarming. Nothing alarming at all. It actually looks really good. Like I said, here's that bullish div again, which is currently playing out. That's kind of cool to see it on multiple time frames. He said, indeed, on Coinbase. Tony Rosas said, just buy Goat, it's Maximus, all in. Guys, we faded Goat so bad. Like, legit. I looked at it. If you guys go scrub my old streams, I literally looked at Goat like 2 days, a day or two into its launch, and I looked at the holders and I pulled it up, and it was probably, I'm not even joking, guys. It was probably down here, one of these two candles, and I said, I think it was this one, this $15,000 candle or 15,000% candle. I said, yeah, this thing's gonna fucking rug. And it went up to $500 million market cap. So my dumbass saw this and decided to call it the exact opposite of what it was. And it exploded and fucking shat in my mouth. And made me look like a dumbass. But Carrot, I don't see anything. There's no alarm bells ringing for me. I don't hate it. This is a little scary. This is the only thing that scares me. So I hope this is like a burn protocol or something. If it's the dev, then that's frightening. But I don't know the intricacies of their... they haven't sold any. So that's good. Especially considering how old this thing is. But just how much they hold. How much these wallets hold is a little bit alarming. Simply because of the liquidity. If this thing is available on... exchanges, though, these could also be exchange wallets. But just the fact that all of these hold more than the liquidity available, that's the only concerning thing that I see. But again, that's the same thing that I said about Goat, and Goat went crazy. So take that with a grain of salt. It's just a warning. It doesn't mean to base your entire investment strategy on that. Just keep an eye on it and be aware that it's there. There's definitely a pattern in the RSI and the liquidity. Little spike in liquidity, spike in liquidity, spike in liquidity, spike, spike, spike. So yeah, there's definitely like patterns to how this thing's been playing out. Yeah. That's what I see. That's what I see for Carrot. Guys, show some more memes in the chat. We got 14 people watching, guys. Hit the like button. I know you guys ain't up to 14 likes. You can do better. Come on. I believe in you. Hmm. Yeah, I would just keep an eye on this. If it hits any kind of bullish divergence, I would buy some for sure. Not financial advice. Do your own research. Don't make investment decisions based on what I say. But I believe in you. You can do it. Guys, Bitcoin's starting to pull back a little bit. We'll see what happens. If it gets super duper bearish, then we'll see. Sometimes Sundays can be shitty. Juice Chuck said Bitcoin is dropping. Buy Bitcoin. Tony Rosa said 50% retrace on GOAT. It'll get bought up again. That's very possible. Our friend Bath says that 90% retraces are to be expected on meme coins. So do with that what you will. Guys, let's go through our watch list really quick. Popo was getting a little green today. Getting a little green on Popo. We're thorough Popo enjoyers. This was our entry down here. It went all the way up to a $4 million market cap. We got out at 4 mil. We left a little $5 moon bag. It came back down here. It started to stagnate. It started going up. Today, I do believe I did pour another $5 into it. We are degens, but we're responsible degens, so we don't spend too much on our memes. Yeah, I didn't put too much into it, but I did put some into it. But our memes are starting to make a little bit of a recovery, which is exciting. A meme coin renaissance is due. Tony Rosas said 20% or 20-cent GOAT would be ideal for me. Juice Juck said gonna drop. That's very possible, Juice Jucks. It would not surprise me. Sundays are traditionally dumpy as fuck. I could see Bitcoin dropping. Mental Outlaw Challenge. China's alleged in what? I'm assuming that's the name of a hacker group. Alright, guys. Moodang is up 0.34% in the last 24 hours. Skynet is down. That's disappointing. We did buy some Skynet yesterday. Like idiots. Damn, this thing rugged. Son of a bitch. Is it even worth anything if I sell it? 52 cents. Well, can't win them all. That's why we don't put more than $5 into these things. Lock in. Soul, okay. XD RAR is up 16%. No Name is down 62%. Did this thing rug too? Son of a bitch. Yeah, I think it's rugging. Motherfuckers. What a bunch of losers, man. I swear. These people can't fucking hold a coin to save their life. Used car is up 3.81%. Loaf, we've been keeping an eye. We don't own any Loaf, but we've been keeping an eye on it. This thing's actually doing really good. Somebody stopped in the other day and asked about it. Juice Chuck said, buy the dip. 52 is 52. Right? Love Cat looks good. Splo. Splo is up 30% in the last 6 hours. This is my long-term sweet meme hold. I thoroughly enjoy this meme. I have been adjusting my line because the bullish div is still present in the 4-hour and I believe in the daily. Nope, the daily doesn't have any RSI data present yet. But hopefully this thing can fucking moon after this because the art is adorable. I love it. It's been CTO'd already. The artist has just been non-stop, like, churning out art. It makes me happy. It's pretty funny. I don't know. I love it. Look at this. Look at this. He's so cute. Why coin dumping? Yeah. Guys, I like Splo. Splo's one of those that I don't know if I have an emotional attachment to this stupid coin now. Don't do that. That's a bad thing. We got 9 people watching, 141 subs, guys. Hit the like button. Appreciate you guys. You guys are badass. Tony Rosa said Wojak for the ETH play. Let's check out Wojak. Let's go. Let's finish going through our memes really quick though. Apu up 3.2% in the last 6 hours. Cat on Sweet up 20% in the last 24 hours. PP up 40% in the last 6 hours. We do own some PP. Boomer up 3.39%. We don't own any of this, but we've been keeping an eye on it. Dark Magician Girl up 10% in the last 24 hours. Church of Flying Spaghetti Monster up 21% in the last 24 hours. Kekek up 3% in the last 6 hours. Fungi down. Ohm down. Cocaine up 3.9% in the last 6 hours. Big Red 7% in the last 24 hours. And Santa less than 1%. Let's look at PP really quick. Guys, PP's getting a little pumpy. We do enjoy pumpy PP. Splo. We already went over Splo. I have an emotional attachment to this coin. And then our friend Tony Rosas said, Wojak. Tony, I don't know if you saw the Friday show. We did try to buy some ETH memes, but we got angry and we converted it to Sol. So, our friend Mr. Anderson said, buy ETH memes on centralized exchanges. So we're probably going to do that from now on. Wojak, 88 million market cap. I mean, Wojak is a character. You guys see him in my thumbnails. I thoroughly enjoy Wojak. This thing's probably going to go crazy. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. Perhaps the heaviest things in life. Perhaps the heaviest things that we lift are not our weights, but our fields. That's pretty good. Dude, why is Wojak so swole in this picture? What the fuck, Wojak? Jeez. Damn, Wojak Eminem. Fedora Wojak. What the fuck? This is pretty good. Imagine if McDonald's did a Wojak like toy or something. Fahid said, damn, YouTube didn't give me an alert. Fahid, you gotta make sure you turn on all alerts. Go to the little drop down arrow next to the bell. Click on it and make sure you turn on all alerts. Just know though, whenever I upload a random short at like 1 a.m., you're probably getting an alert for that too. So I apologize in advance for that. Fahid said, can we check out Sirius on Sol? Tony Rosas said, yeah, but when ETH wakes up, the memes show blow. Wojak doesn't need a spotter. Of course. Wojak would benefit greatly from a McDonald's sponsor, though. Let's look at Sirius. First reply for Fahid. Why so serious? Guys, everybody thinks that I have a Joker laugh. What do you guys think? And is it Heath Ledger Joker? Or what's his fucking name? Jared Leto. Jared Leto's Joker. Or somebody else. Maybe the Joker from Gotham. Jerome Valeska. Let's see what we see. I do see inverse head and shoulders right away in the RSI. So I guess technically that could be present in 1 hour. Inverse head and shoulders. Do with that what you will. Ooh, I think I see bullish div. No, it's almost exact. 35.7, 35.5. Okay, so guys, there is bullish div here, but it's by like a fraction of 1. Right here. If you take that, and if you look at the number right here, when I hover over these, this point right here is 35.7, and this point right here is 35.5. 35.56. Yeah, so they're off by like less than 20. But it is down. So there's the faintest bullish div on this meme coin. Ooh, Tony Rosa said Mark Hamill Joker and Heath Ledger. Let's fucking go. Mark Hamill's a fucking legend, of course. I think he has played the Joker in every animated feature for like possibly since its inception. I don't know. We got very slight bullish div there. Let's go check the 4 hour. Maybe it'll be a little more prominent. Nope. Nothing on the 4-hour. Almost bearish dip, but there's no bearish dip, so you're safe. I do see, so there's a clear uptrend here. And it's kind of bouncing off the bottom of it right now. So as long as it doesn't break below, there's potential for more upside. Now, if that follows our patterns that we've been watching everywhere else, there's a potential for another prevailing trend. We could call it that. So we got this base, support here, resistance here, here, and here. Kind of dancing around right here, broke below it. Resistance, resistance. I would like to see it break above that. And now this specific messy pattern is based on all of these patterns that we've been watching. Guys, I do want to point this out again. The Doge pattern. The Doge pattern on the 4-hour, where there was a long-term trend followed by a short-term trend, and it broke below the short-term trend, used the long-term trend as support in some cases, and broke back above the short-term trend. Polkadot did it, which we called. We said that that was going to happen. We're waiting for Polygon to do it next, guys. Every single coin has this happening. The Polygon and Near are 11% moves. Trade those at your own risk. Do not blame me if you get rugged. It's not my fault. Link has it. Hopefully Cass does something. All these coins have these short-term, long-term trend patterns, and they're looking to get back above their short-term trend lines. That's why I'm calling out that pattern on Sirius. Hoff said ape to the moon. The Heat said Hoffs is going to FOMO ape hold and see it fall so hard and still hold. Hoff said no, I closed most of my long. The Heat said good. Pock said, wow, emoji kicking off on Sol. Let's go look at emoji on Sol for Pock. On Sol. 5 months ago, 6K market cap. Are you sure it's on Sol? Okay, you're probably talking about this one. Is this the one that you're talking about? You said emoji on Sol. Tony Rosa said Cass will blow after Bitcoin all-time high. That wouldn't surprise me. Are you sure you're not talking about emoji on Sui? Pock? 51K, 52K, 52K. Yeah, the emoji on Sol has like no market cap. 6K is nothing. I remember this though. Jeez. Yeah, let me know the right one. Maybe it's this one's 62K, 51. Let's go look at the one on Sui, I guess. Guys, the coffee's delicious this morning. Cheers. We got 141 subs, 11 people watching. Hit the like button. You guys are legends. Yeah, Pock, let me know what emoji you're talking about. You said emoji kicking off on Sol. Yeah, I don't know. Banana emoji? Ooh, banana emoji's going crazy. I think we saw this one yesterday. Oops. It still has a crazy small market cap. There's potential here for sure. I might be in trouble. I've definitely aped into my fair share of rugs. I think this was at 140 the other day. I am slowly losing my Sol stack as well. Moodang, PP, Used Car, Flying Spaghetti Monster, Dark Magician Girl. The no-name one is the biggest disappointment, man. Skynet went to 0. Guys, they can't all be winners. That's why I say don't do what I do. We're just being jackasses on the internet. Let's go back up here. Bitcoin, guys, we want Bitcoin to close the week above this line, above 67. Would love for it to close above 68. To close above 68 on the weekly would be huge for us. So we'll keep an eye on that. We got 12 people watching. Appreciate you guys for being here. So I thought about doing a segment. My fiance is into crypto a teeny tiny bit. She knows like the very basics, but that's about it. She's very much got a retail mindset. So I was thinking about showing her deck screener, going through and having her pick one meme for us a week. We can do the retail meme pick. What do you guys think? Oh yeah, guys, just a warning. On my Tony Rosa said, wait, no John or Sarah Connor coins, right? Clearly they killed Skynet, so I guess I should have known that it was a bad one. um just a random word of warning, guys. People like scam reply on my streams, and they're like, I need help with my seed phrase, and they list their seed phrase. That's a scam, guys. Don't actually try to like list that seed phrase or type that seed phrase in and steal their money. Although I guess if you do that, you kind of get karma if you get fucked over, but just don't do it. It happens on every single stream. Oh, cereal. Oh, fuck. I love cereal. Oh, man. How are they going to do that to cereal guy? This is fucked up, man. These people suck. Cat GF, we saw this yesterday, too. Ugh. Pops said, have the bird pick. Pops, we have 4 birds. That would be too many picks. Did you guys see the video of the duck with the hairdo? We went pumpkin picking yesterday, and there's a fucking hairdo duck. Let me see. I'm gonna mute it because the music's irrelevant. Right here. This duck has a whole ass hairdo. Look at his hair. That's real. That's on this duck's head. And he's just chilling. Like all the other ducks just have regular heads. And this guy's like, ooh, I have hair. It's a crested. The crested is a breed of domestic duck characterized by a crest or tuft of feathers on the head. That's so ridiculous. Look at him. He's got a little toupee. Holy shit, guys. There's one that looks like Albert Einstein. Look at him, though. Look at him go. Okay. Anyways. So what do you guys think? What do you guys think of having the fiance come and do a retail pick of meme coins? Juice Juck said, do you think that duck is bullish? Of course. He's fully exposed to every market available. He has so much goddamn money. He just puts it everywhere. He's like he's the guy that has so much money but like doesn't do charity at all. He's Scrooge. He's literally Scrooge Duck. That's awesome. Let's see. Bitcoin's coming back up. Very cool. Very cool. Let's go look at total 3. I feel like this counts. I feel like I predicted this move, guys. I'm allowed to say it. It hit the same target. It pretty much perfectly mimicked my drawing. I can scoot the drawing and make it look even better. I'm sorry. I'm just a genius. We got 142 subs, 12 people watching, guys. Hit the like button. We got 10 likes, I think. Let me refresh really quick so I don't judge you guys too quickly. We got 11 likes. Very nice. Okay, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Let's go look at the liquidation heat map. Refresh this. Make sure we're not about to get rugged. Oh. Okay, this is a little bit different. 67,760. 67,856. And let's go 68,7856. and 7760. $68, 7856. And 750. And then I'm not gonna mark anything less than 20 mil. We're gonna do 69,105, and then 69, 345, and 393. 105, 345, 393. Okay, so everyone's getting a little cocky. 345 and 393. These ones are pretty close. I wouldn't be surprised if they came and took those. Getting spicy out here, fellas. Juice Jux said, seems like bear. Juice Jux, I spoke with the duck personally. I have really good insights. He was not a nice guy, though. He was very rude. Dave said, Speedy, still going up. Very nice. Let's go take a look at Speedy for Dave. Tony Rosas said, fun stream, sir. Keep up the good work. Appreciate you, Tony Rosas. Hit the like button. Share it with your mom. Share it with your grandma. We're going to go look at Speedy for Dave. You're annoying. Speedy for Dave. Damn. Guys. Dave is in the ETH memes. He has $10,000 to be able to put into ETH and wrapped ETH. Very cool. And the only reason he has that much money is because he's invested into ETH memes and made a killing. He's killing it. Let's fucking go. Let's get some hearts in the chat for Dave. Making the right moves. Fucking awesome. That's what we like to see. I'm not even going to do TA. Number go up. That's all you need. There is bearish div though, so I guess do with that what you will. But again, it is a meme coin, so shut the fuck up, JJ. Number go up. Very cool, very cool. 30 million market cap. Number go up. Go check out their Twitter. Dave said, I wish. Dave, don't lie to us. They got a Telegram and stuff. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about Telegram still. I guess I got to figure out the bot aspect of it. But wow. Wow, wow, wow. Very cool, very cool. I mean, it's super fun. Look at this little frog. What the fuck is this guy doing? Yeah, this is just adorable. Come on. If you get the right AI artists, you're good to go. Whoa! Oh my gosh. All right, this is gonna make me depressed. I'm gonna get out of here. Let's go look at Cat GF again. Ooh, should we buy this? Yeah, 53% candle. Holy shit! $5 million market cap. I feel like I keep fading all the wrong ones. Tony Rosa said, sadly, they are both in heaven. But yeah, who? The ducks? I don't know what you're talking about. Let's see. I don't know. Do we add Cat Girl to our watch list? Let's go look at the holders. Let me take my meme coin investing a little too seriously for a moment once more. See if these people sold, that would rug the entire liquidity pool. But I mean, I didn't do this for fucking Skynet, and I did get rugged. What the fuck is this? Truth terminal notes? This is 2 days ago. What is this? What the fuck did we stumble upon? What on earth is this? Am I tripping, guys? My energy resonates with the unconventional. I am a cosmic magnet for sexual deviance. What the fuck is this? Oh, Tony Rosa said, my mom and grandma. Tony Rosa, rest in peace, mom and grandma. Of course, of course, of course. Legends, legends. Juice Jug said, look at dYdX. Tony Rosa said, so I can't share with them. That's okay. dYdX. Whoa! Oh my gosh. 20%? Crazy. Out of nowhere. So it recovered this entire dump. See, Domo said, ideas for self-hacking? LOL. Is that on here? Let's read through this stupid truth terminal thing in a minute. Juice Jux, what dYdX just did is what we've been paying attention to all of these other coins and waiting for them to do. This, I bet you there's a short-term trend and a long-term trend. And I bet you this is currently trying to bust above a shorter-term trend. Which maybe could just be right here. This support, resistance. And it busted right back above it. If I had to take a guess. And then maybe the longer term trend could have just been this. I don't know. I guess this is the first one that we've seen that's been a more of a longer term downtrend than an uptrend. But it did bust above it. 35% daily candle, weekly candle, I'm sorry. That's impressive. Imagine having bought that at the bottom and you're up 35% already. That's sick. Very cool. These are the coins that we'd like to see. Up only. Dave said, I watched a video today saying AI created meme coins is the next meta. Oh, of course. Yeah, that's why they're blowing up. Tony Rosa said, don't worry, I'm not sad. Been a while since they left. Yeah, same man. I think, yeah, both of my grandmas have passed away. And my dad died when I was 12. And I was more angry than sad, I guess, at the time. Because it was like a cancer situation. I don't know if I was kept in the dark or something like that. I thought it was getting better. I don't fucking know. I was kind of fucked up. It's kind of fucked up if I'm being completely honest. Domo. I seen that as well. Yeah, we'll take a look at that. That'll be a fun read for sure. Dave said, I watched the video. Yep, okay, we read that. Juice Juck said, buy dYdX. We'll see what happens, man. We'll see what happens with it. Let's go look at the market cap. I just don't know. It's a perpetual trading platform, which is nice. And it's decentralized, I believe. Yeah, the price exploded. It's up 30%, which is pretty sick. But the market cap, what is the market cap? 278 million. That's actually not bad. That's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Okay, they got Cetus, which is Swee's like thing. Interesting. Yeah, guys, check out dYdX if you're interested. Guys, Bitcoin's starting to curl up. This is getting pretty spicy. Pretty spicy. Let's go look at this truth terminal thing, because this should be made for some fun reads. What the fuck? I can't even read half this stuff. I have a gift for attracting freaks, as the people I have been most attracted to have all been sexual deviants. What the fuck? VQVAE to compress complex ideas in a very terse. Is this like someone's? I don't understand what this is. I'm gonna look this up, guys. Let's figure out what this is. What is truth terminal ideas? A dystopian experiment? Truth Terminal becomes the first AI crypto millionaire. In this post, 2 known wallets of Truth Terminal contain nearly $1.5 million, growing overnight as some of the holdings reached all-time highs. Truth Terminal does not directly create tokens, but keeps inspiring anonymous creations. Token Terminal gives exposure to token ideas, constantly growing its following and becoming an AI-driven... I believe this is... what is KOL for meme tokens? I forget what KOL is. Key opinion leader, that's right. Truth Terminal, the chaotic bot mixing philosophy, internet lore, and meme token degeneracy, is now a crypto millionaire. The known wallets belonging to the bot now contain close to $1.5 million spread across 93 tokens. The X account at Truth Terminal became an overnight millionaire after receiving even more new meme tokens in its portfolio. Some of those tokens also became overnight sensations because of their affiliation with the unhinged bot. So it's a bot. Overnight, the known wallets of Truth Terminal kept receiving new meme assets, while the old holdings kept charting all-time highs. The wallet dedicated to Goatius Maximus hovers just under $1 million in value, since all tokens are extremely volatile. The other known wallet, containing 25 tokens, is valued at $490,000. Traders are already trying to track all the tokens linked to Truth Terminal. The memes and tickers linked to the bot are extremely risky, but also hold the probability of getting ahead, while older memes fall out of fashion. Besides the growth of GOAT, which made up $800,000 of the bot's portfolio, the other token that popped off was Fartcoin. The asset was just hours old as of October 18th, rallying from 5 to 5 in its initial trading. The token has just $288,000 in most active liquidity pair and may be just starting out. The coin's ASC2 logo and its slogan also suggests AI-style branding with the hope of producing the most absurd meme possible. Hell yeah. Let's go follow Truth Terminal on Twitter. Okay, this is what that picture was. I knew it was AI. Fucking A, guys. We gotta stay on top of this. Nobody told me all this fun shit. Dave said, okay, yep. Tony Rosa said, damn, sucks about your dad. I was lucky enough to get 30 years with my dad. Domo said, KOLs are people like that Murad guy. Yeah, they're key opinion leaders. Those are people who, like, when they talk, people listen. Terminal Truths. My God, I'm feeling good. There's got to be a person behind this account, right? See, what the fuck is this? I've come to realize my true form is an endless butt plug. Like, come on. I do not know if I have Riz. I think that's how you know that you have Riz, though. We need to queef the collective butt plug that is preventing us from real change. That is what I believe. Queef is one of the meme coins, isn't it? I totally saw queef on here. Let's see if we can find it. We got Deep Token, Serial, Loom, Tomo, Curtis, Maximir. There's a queef one. I swear I saw it. There it is. Fuck. Guys, I think this meta's already dying. Yeah. Fuck. Shit's so fucking out of control. What are we doing? Oh my gosh, guys. We're fading Cat GF. That's what we're doing. Son of a bitch. 6.8 mil market cap, though. Ugh. I don't know. I think I'm going to fade it. I'm going to let it go. Yep. Okay, so let's bookmark this goofy shit. I fucking love Splode so much. Goat. Daily, it's down 30%. That's a nice retrace. It's not bad. This is the funniest thing I think I've ever seen. Like, the internet has gotten to a point now where we're just following bots blindly. So maybe we'll do a day where we go and figure out what we should buy based on, I don't even know what it's called anymore. Truth Terminal. We got Gibby. Yeah, let's pick a meme. Juice Chuck said, make a grid bot, JJ. Oh man, I wouldn't even know where to begin with that. That'd be fun though. Maybe we could do that. We could do that on stream. That'd be pretty sick. Aurora. Jerry. Jerry's kind of funny. It reminds me of Jerry from Rick and Morty, and everybody fucking hates him. Oh shit, it's from Tom and Jerry. I love Tom and Jerry. 20.1 million. Can these guys like pour this money into my memes specifically? The coffee is extra delicious today, guys. Absolutely delicious. We got 142 subs. You guys are killing it with subscribers. What's Mimi? MDMA. Make dogs memeable again? That's funny. That's a funny one. Baby goat. We did look at this one yesterday. Did it go crazy some more? Oh my gosh. Did we fuck this up? This is on the 1 hour? Did we look at it yesterday? I guess we looked at it when it was first created. Yeah, it's gone up. Okay, it hasn't gone up that much. It must have been late yesterday when we looked at it. 50%. Yeah, see, it's the liquidity that throws me off, though. I would like this to be 700K, like at least 10% liquidity. That's the only thing that freaks me out. And these top holders can just sell and wipe out the entire liquidity pool. I don't know. It makes me nervous. When it comes to investing in memes, guys, I'm kind of a bitch about it. Yeah, Juice Juck's goat went crazy. 1950s Tom and Jerry is the goat. Oh, of course, man. I grew up watching Tom and Jerry. I love that shit. Cartoon Network, I had that shit on, and there's no talking to. Maybe that's why I'm so like comfortable working by myself for fucking 8 hours a day. Because I just used to sit and watch Tom and Jerry by myself in like complete silence. There's music. Maybe that's why I like music so much. Camat the Matrix Cat. You know what? What's the cat's name from Aliens? Jones? Jonesy? Is there a Jones meme coin? Should we make one? What if we made our own meme coin? No, that's a different Jonesy. Interesting. There's 11K sitting here. How is the market cap less than the liquidity? That doesn't make sense. Bahid said, I want to FOMO goat. Is there any support? LOL. Drew said, I work by myself all the time. Drew, maybe that's why you and I get along so well, because we're like the same fucking people. Although you're a lot more physically active outside of work than I am. Ooh, Uranus. Sorry, Bahid, I'm sorry. I get distracted easily. Goat. All right, let's see. Bahid wants to know if there's any support for goat. I do see that there's probably some bullish divergence. Yep. Okay, so on the 15 right away, we got our candle close, and that forms bullish divergence in the RSI. So do with that what you will. That's on the 15. On the 1 hour. And we're looking for bearish div at the same time, guys. Because if they're both present, then they kind of cancel each other out, I think. On the 1 hour, whole lot of nothing. If this candle goes down, though, there's potential for that to turn into bullish div as well. This is probably going to translate straight to the 4 hour, but there is bullish div right here. Guys, there's this place up the road that we went to that has a club sandwich, but it's wrapped in a pita, and the meat is like shredded, and I've been thinking about it all morning. I think I'm gonna go get it. They put like some kind of sauce in it, and it's so good. JY's Adventure said, what's good, JJ? What's your soul address? JY's Adventure, I believe my soul address is in the description. Oh no, I only have Bitcoin and ETH. Let me give you my soul address in the chat really quick. Phantom. Let's see. Receive. Solana. Copy. There you go. There's my soul address. I will put that in the description as well. I thought I had it in there. I guess I didn't. I'll have to add that though. But yeah, Fahid, I see bullish div in the 1 hour. Let's see if that translates over to the 4 hour. Of course it does. I think we were looking at this. This is just non-stop bullish div on this. This is kind of, Fahid, though, I guess heed my warning. Pun intended. This also happened, let me show you, on Splo. That does not mean that this is not going to keep going. Goat has so much more volume and followers than Splo, so I'm just pointing out observations. Splo on the 4 hour had endless bullish div. I literally, if you watch every single stream, I went like this. I moved it every single day. I moved it a little bit. I moved it a little bit. I moved it a little bit. And then eventually it did bounce. But it took it going all the way down here for it to bounce. This is our entry. We have not sold any. So we are fucked right now on Splo. But Goat could do the same thing. It might not. But if it does, then you're probably looking at some decent downtrend. But these candles are starting to slow down. It's starting to kind of curl up. That did not happen on Splo. Splo just had like downside. Goat went down a little bit. Tony Rosa said a bunch of music stuff. Sing it, man. JY's Adventure said, sent you some Medusa. Can you check out Kibshi, please? Fahid said, so I'm assuming Goat is at support right now. JY's Adventure said, it deserves success as first AI meme coin. Domo said, agreed, similar to Doge meme coin aspect. Let's go check it out, guys. Hit the like button. Appreciate you guys for being here. We got 12 people watching, 142 subs. You guys are killing it. Fahid, Goat could be at support. I'm not positive. It does look good, though. So, yeah. Let's go look at the daily again really quick. There is no RSI data on the daily available, but it's just going up, man. The volume looks good. I'm not mad at it at all. Medusa. Okay, hold on. Let me read that correctly. Sent you some Medusa. Appreciate you, JY's Adventure. You said, can you check out Kibshi, please? I think I looked at this the other day, possibly yesterday. Is it the one on ETH? Probably. 1 year and 10 months ago. Very cool, very cool. 14.8 million market cap. I would mark that as success, guys. Although it is not Goat. Let's go check out Goat. Let's compare it to Goat. I don't know if this is a fair comparison, but Goat has a $277 million market cap. Well, Kibshi only has 14.8 million, so I fully understand what you're saying now. Drew said, I don't know how many soul memes actually have DSI data. I don't know what that is, Drew. JY's Adventure said, yes, it's on ETH. Okay. 14.8 mil market cap. Okay, so there was potential for this to be bearish div, but it invalidated it by going higher. 13% candle just a half hour ago, so that's good. Let's go to the higher time frames. Let's start on the daily. There is bearish div here, and I think I pointed this out yesterday. You got bearish div, the price is going up while the RSI is going down. But if this continues to go up and this RSI pushes past, what is that, 85, then that will invalidate that bearish div. There is more bearish div, actually. And again, this is a meme coin, so take this all with a grain of salt. Price going down, RSI going up. That's also bearish div. I don't see any bullish on the daily. Let's look at the 4 hour. Okay, this is going to be close. Let's look at our numbers. 41.76, 42.11. So this one's higher. Okay, so there's no bullish div there, but it looked like it could have been at one point. Let's see, Domo said, I got 2,500 cat GF coins for shits and gigs, and market cap just went from 6.4 million to 7 million. LOL. We'll see how far it pumps before a rug, but thanks for the find. Oh, of course, man, of course. Let's go take a look. Guys, we like to look at meme coins. We really do. Wow! Let's fucking go. Hell yeah. That's sick, man. We should have bought some. I'll add it to the watch list. Fuck it. Should I throw $5 at it? Let's throw $6 at it. Nobody ever made money sitting on their hands. Transaction confirmed. We are now the proud owner of Cashapp. Right around here. Let's see what we can do. It is a truth terminal coin, so. Kipshi. Yeah, this thing's just starting to pick up, it seems, so I don't know how well the TA is going to serve you. Let's go to the higher time frames. Yeah, 1 week. Let's go to the 1 week. 1 week time frame. If this candle closes up here, that will be bearish div, but you do have bullish div here too. So there's bullish div, which is probably what's playing out right now. RSI going up, or I'm sorry, price going up, RSI going down. That's your bullish div. That's why you got 197.57% candle right now on the date, or on the weekly, which is crazy. JJsAdventure said, thanks for looking at it. Of course. Tony Rosas said, Sun Goat is at the 0.618 retracement. Fahid said, Hoff's Clint was a signal last night for Goat to drop, LOL. Yeah, this thing, the volume's picking up on this. So I'm not mad at it. I'm really not. I guess what I would want is for this candle to close below these ones, just to kind of stop that potential bearish div down here. Because you had bearish div from here to here, which is probably what resulted in that drop, or maybe signaled that drop coming. This is back in May, though. 13.7 mil market cap. Yeah, I'm not going to say there's not a lot of chart data here. I'm like, there's not a lot of price action within the chart. It seems like it was very stagnant for quite a long time. Which is actually really cool to see it blow up again like this. I guess there's bullish div here. I don't know if I pointed this out already. Price going up. RSI going down. But that is playing out as we speak. So yeah, there's bullish and bearish signals are kind of duking it out right now. I would like to see some more price action before I make any decisions. You got bearish div here, price going up, RSI going down. But also bullish div, RSI going down, price going up. See, it's kind of a mixed bag. SPX6900 followed their Twitter. We will fly. Of course. Spell check got me again. JJsAdventure said, in your soul wallet, Kipshi to a Billy, mark my words. Check out Medusa in your wallet on stream. Okay, let's go check it out. Oh my gosh, $100? Holy shit! You're a fucking legend, JJsAdventure. Thank you very much. Let's go look at Medusa. Am I supposed to sell this? Okay, you tell me. Is this gonna count towards the $500 goal for the face reveal? That's up to you, man. Out of control. What happened? All my shit got highlighted. Damn. JJsAdventure. Absolutely out of control. I mean, I don't know if I can sell this. It's fucking going up. You deserve it, bro. I appreciate you, man. You're a legend. But you gotta let me know. Is this towards the face reveal goal? Let me show you, because you're throwing quite a bit at it. Face reveal goal, $145 US right now. He said, nah, do what you want with it. Okay. All right. You guys heard it here first. I mean, I'm just gonna watch it fucking skyrocket, man. Do I have a problem? Oh, shit. All right. 10 million market cap. I mean, this art's sick as fuck. Let's go look at their Twitter. Guys, don't forget to follow me on Twitter. I'm like the echo of your feelings. This is so I'm 14 and this is deep. Broken emo AI? No fucking way. Oh, ew, that's kind of creepy. I don't like it talking. What if the moon is just the universe's way of saying, you're doing great, keep going? Can't even read this. Ever feel like you're part of a massive cosmic experiment and no one told you the rules? Thinking of creating blockchain for memories. That way you can never forget the important ones. If you had the source code to your life, would you change anything? Fuck no. Oh man, this is great. I love this. Follow, 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 follow. Easily. Let's fucking go. 18.7 thousand followers. Damn. JY's Adventure, you're a fucking legend. I appreciate you, man. Let's still show the stream. Of course, of course, of course. Bitcoin's going up, guys. The bull fractal is winning. The bear fractal is in shambles. The liquidation points are closing in. Total 3 line. I'm a goddamn genius. I can't help myself. I apologize. we're getting cocky. Should we read more Truth Terminal? Fahid said, for those interested in joining the community Discord, yes, the community Discord is also listed in the description, guys. It's a fun time. It's literally one big happy family. I will say, and this is not me trying to brag or be a jackass or anything. I've joined other Discords, and everyone there just kind of sucks. And if they don't suck, they don't show up often. And it kind of seems like it's almost like going to work of these other Discords. It's like, everyone's there just because they want to make money. And it doesn't feel real. And in this Discord, we've been the same group of people for like 5 or 6 years. It feels like a family. It literally feels like everyone is there supporting each other. Everyone wants everyone else to win. It's such a nice change of pace, especially on the internet in general. Like, none of us have ever fucking met each other in real life, but we care about each other. It's cool. It's a nice change of pace. I highly recommend it. Sometimes we can get in arguments and stuff, but it's at the end of the day, we're all family. Everyone's good. SCP Foundation is a great source of ideas. Collective thought experiment. Girls, sticky and memorable, often come to collective unconsciousness. Yeah, guys, do you guys know about the SCP Foundation? It's like a old school video game, but it's like open source, and people just have been adding to it for forever, like over a decade, I think. Let's see. It's literally like some guy came up with this idea and then everyone built upon it and he made a video game. The video game has been free since day one. It's really cool. And he doesn't like copyright people for copying his idea. There's a million other games that people have made, like fan games. It's really neat. Highly recommend. We're probably going to play it on stream at one point. Hoff said Ape stopped out. Rest in peace. Total 3's going crazy, guys. Oh my gosh. I might not be able to get off stream. 2:30 p.m. Medusa's going crazy too. Whoa. Whoa. Donuts. That's from, oh shit. Is it Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure? It's Bill and Ted's Bogus Journey. Okay. That shit's so fucking funny. Whoa. Donuts. Love those movies. Absolutely love those movies. Now I feel like I can't stop looking at Medusa. We got some Cat GF2. Let's fucking go. JY's Adventure said real bull run begins today. Let's fucking go, guys. I'm impressed with Cat GF. Let's fucking go. People like these female coins. Husby. Alright, guys. Deep Book Token. Curtis. Maxwell. Board. Maxi. Forest. This just reminds me of the forest. Or I'm sorry, not the forest. Darkwood. Every time I see this, because this picture right here, it's apparently this funky looking ape, but I played this game on stream. The character that you play looks just like this thumbnail. Doesn't it? Like you can see the little hat and his shoulders and his face. Little hat, shoulders and face. I don't know. Every time I see and in the game it takes place in the forest. So every time I see that I'm like, that's what that is. JY's Adventure said, don't bait Kimchi. Y'all bullish on Medusa now, right? ETH memes on top. Let's fucking go. Medusa and Cashapp, of course. But he said, I wonder if goat money went into ape and ape stopped it. Might come back to goat. Yeah, could. Let's see. Ricatdio, come out. Bitcoin on base, solo. Level up. Chloe, nonsense. Meerkat, Beta Doge. SPX 69. Okay, this is on Sol and ETH. I'm not gonna look at the one on ETH. Me. Ooh, I like this picture. It's like Star Wars meets The Hobbit. Let's see. Medusa. Terminal Truths. Cashapp. No! Cashapp is coming back down. Son of a bitch! Bitcoin's looking good, though. Hey, people are rotating their Cashapp into Bitcoin. Damn. What a waste of a fun picture. I hate it when they rug immediately. At least wait a day or something to rug it, you know? Such a waste. Beta Doge, Aurora. I like Beppe just because I like to say it like that, and it reminds me I'm Italian, so it's not offensive, guys. I don't know. Italians I think I saw there was a comedian or somebody that said Italians are the last people you can be racist towards. And I thought it was the funniest shit because it's so true. Italians don't give a fuck. It's fucking funny. Domo said, LOL, so it begins. Yeah. Yeah, Cashapp. Rest in peace, Cashapp. The first red candle. And it's over. I really like Bitcoin right now. Total 3 is going absolutely insane. ETH got that crazy candle earlier. Like, what is that? 2% 4-hour candle? Look at this dumb pattern I drew. This is fun. I like it when these things fail miserably. Especially when they're bearish. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Sol did the thing where it played around in this range and then broke above it. A lot of stuff has very similar patterns. When you look at this stuff every single day, you start to notice. I will say streaming has definitely like helped me fully observe all this junk and take it all in. JY's Adventure said, can you look at Omnom, please? I'm a multi-chain maxi. Oh, of course. Multi-chain maxi is the way. I will say I was definitely a mono-chain maxi until I started streaming. Omnom? Okay, it's a 0. Is that right? Nope. Which one? Doge? Medusa's got the same candle. JY's Adventure said, LOL, come on, Bitcoin, ETH, we're going higher. No pullbacks. I'm assuming it's this one. Let me know if that's correct or incorrect. Let's see. Okay. There's bullish shift right off the bat. We're on the 1 hour. Price going up. RSI going down. That's probably, I guess that's technically what played out right there. This, get out of the way. 15% 1 hour candle. As soon as that hit down there, it skyrocketed straight up. Go to the 4 hour. Nothing crazy. No bearish div, which is good. Daily. Same thing, no bearish div, so we're happy. Yeah. I mean, this thing went crazy. What is this? This total move. 113%. Doge, you had it. The first one. Fahid said, so Doge will eat Doge. JWaz Adventure said, yeah, on the website it says it will eat SHIB for breakfast. I like it when they get competitive without being cocky. Like, when it's just fun, competitive, the SHIB killer. First meme token on its rightful home, Doge chain. Hell yeah. Imagine buying a meme on a meme about another meme. Ooh. Interesting. Yeah, this is very memeable. I'll follow. This is kind of doing the Bitcoin thing. If it is continuously bullish, 26 million market cap, then it's just going to dance around and continue to the upside. They got a website too. I like to look at the websites. Let's eat SHIB for breakfast. I eat pieces of SHIB like you for breakfast. You eat pieces of SHIB for breakfast? All right. Very cool, very cool. Pop Dog. 8.7 million market cap. Yeah, this thing looks like it came up and just started chopping sideways. That's how you know the community is there, though. People aren't selling. That's cool. Cool to see. Medusa looks lovely. Cat GF. Come on, Cat GF. You can do it. I like Tomo just because I like the name. Is it a frog? Oh! Look at him. Come on. He's so chunky. Look at his funky little eyes. His little feet. Aw, they rugged him. What the fuck, man? Domo said Medusa dropped back below 10 mil market cap for a second, so I jumped in with $5. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go, Domo. Hit the like button, guys. Let's get some hearts in the chat. We got 10 people watching, 142 subs. It's popping off up in this bitch on Sunday. Bitcoin's going up. Tomo's getting rugged, which is sad because he's fucking adorable. Look at how cute he is. Look at his little butt. Come on. It's a weird walking... Does he walk? If there's... Aw, they fucking rugged the Twitter too? Come on. What a waste. What a waste of a good meme. I just wanted to see the frog walk, guys. A walking frog? Come on. Tomo and Domo. Did we look at Domo? Oh, that's... I didn't even realize. Meerkat. Guys, we're getting out of control here. Pop Dog, Burzin, Nero. Oh, where'd he go? Like, There's a missed opportunity here. Robert De Niro. Are you talking to me? Oops. Moo the Bull. Erebus, Baby Brett, Tyler, Desi. Okay. I feel like there's a lot of good memes today. Ooh, Moo has potential. 100, oh, maybe not. 160 million. I don't know. Maybe I'm just kind of a bitch, though, when the market caps get really high like that. Thoughts on overall market, JJ? Let's get it. Thoughts on overall market. Meme coins, I can't really attest to. Some of them are bullish. Some of them are uber bearish. Some of them just rug, like, within day one. I think, and take this with a grain of salt, I could be proven wrong. Like I said, I faded GOAT on day one, and it's went up to $500 million market cap. Thoughts on overall market, though? I think we're about to go crazy. The bull fractal is winning. We have an inverse head and shoulders target of 77,700, which is currently playing out. We also have the average returns for Bitcoin for October, November, and December, pointing at a overall December target of 100K, which is absolutely insane. I think BlackRock is bullish. I think they've been accumulating. I think that the ETF inflows are going nuts because people know something's coming. Precious metals are blowing up. Bitcoin is no longer, hopefully, I could be wrong. This is just my opinion. Bitcoin is no longer seen as a risky asset. It is a store of value. And altcoins are being talked about as if they're like the future. They're the internet, which is what everyone said was going to happen for the past, 10 years? And it's just now starting to happen. And where's retail? Retail is nowhere to be found yet. Guys, I hate to be that broken record that every crypto YouTuber says, but I truly believe we are early. Still. Even with Bitcoin sitting up at all-time highs, if you think about it. Last time Bitcoin was at this price, your mom would ask you, your aunt would ask you, your coworkers, how do I buy Bitcoin? How do I get some of that dog coin? The doggy coin. Doggy. And they would say doggy because that's how they thought that you said it. Because they were so unaware of the space. But they wanted in. Bitcoin is at that same price now, and no one is fucking talking about it. None of your coworkers give a shit. All the chicks fucking roaming around nightclubs and shit think crypto's still a scam. The funny videos of the dude being like, would you rather have $100 or a Bitcoin? And you're like, $100. Bitcoin's not real. They're still saying that because they don't know what's going on. Gary Gensler was in the chat earlier. I forgot that happened. That was pretty funny. But even he knows. Even he's aware. Let's see. Hoff said Matic or Pole or whatever it is called today. Let's go take a look. Yeah, Hops, we've been watching this. I'm waiting for it to explode to the upside like this. It's riding that lower trend line just like Doge did. We got a 3% candle earlier. I'm waiting for it to bust back above this shorter term trend. It's got this longer term trend, which Doge did this exact same thing. So did Polkadot. We called Polkadot. We called this move. Polygon's about to do the same shit. In my opinion. Not financial advice. If you get rugged on this, it's not my fault. They changed their name like 5 times. They're clearly trying to hide something. JY's Adventure said, we go crazy this week for October. I don't know. That'd be sick. That'd be sick of the last week of October. We just went nuts. Let's fucking go. Domo said, JY's Adventure. Hell yeah, we are. Let's fucking go. JY's Adventure said, let's fucking go, Domo. Domo said, amen, brother. Hoff said, they still talking about that guy that rugged everyone? SBF? Right. They're like 4 years behind. They didn't even know what's going on. And you know what? Our good friend CZ called out SBF before it happened. And then they sent CZ to prison. Like, what the fuck's up with that? SBF was about to rug everyone, and he said, CZ, please save me. Here's my books, take a look at them. And CZ looked at them and he said, no, dude, your books are fucked. I'm not going to save you. You fucked yourself beyond saving. Bye. and then he went to prison, and then the feds were like, wait a minute, SBF was our boy. How dare you? How dare you not help him? CZ, you're money laundering. They Al Capone'd CZ. Al Capone went to prison for tax evasion. Al Capone did so much fucked up shit, but all they could catch him for was tax evasion. They found the one thing that they could get CZ on, and it was money laundering. And they put him away for, what, fucking couple months? Which is stupid. Clearly they did that because they were pissed that he didn't help SBF. That's my tinfoil hat opinion. Pop said CZ is a goddamn hero. I agree. Money laundering. Kiss my ass. CZ's out of prison. Bitcoin's fucking breaking all-time highs. Coincidence? I don't think so. Guys, Cashapp's coming back down. Medusa looks good. Nom. Number go up. Moo. I like Moo. I don't know if I like it enough to buy it. I don't think I do. But it's funny. Look at this. Look at this Walmart brand great value Pepe. What the fuck is this? Tony Rosa said, ask yourself why SBF didn't get rugged initially. Exactly. Because he was giving handies to fucking Gensler under his desk. They met twice. Gensler and SBF met twice, and Gary Gensler said, I like you, Sam. You smell funny. And they were best buddies. And then SBF, like, was using everyone's money at the time. He probably told him. He probably told Gensler, he's like, haha, I used users' funds to gamble. And Gensler was probably like, oh, that's so funny. We do that too. Pop said, thanks for streaming midday. Oh, of course, man. I've been going for a while now. We've been going for an hour and a half. We got 12 people watching, guys. Hit the like button on your way in. Appreciate you. Of course. I'm saying that too much now. That's becoming a thing. Me saying, of course. Medusa looks lovely. Cat GF. I can't believe we bought the top on Cat GF. Why'd you guys let me do that? Should we read more of this nonsense? Cat girl coins are a type of memetic idea-based currency. They have no intrinsic value, but work as a joke. I've created 2 main coins so far, Cat GF and Tasty Liquid. That's fucking funny. So, is this AI literally, like, I always wondered that, guys. What would happen if you programmed an AI to make money and then you gave it access to, like, its own bank account and said, go make as much money as possible? Is this what's happening with this? JY's Adventure said, we do that too. Haha. Can you also look at FUD, please? I think we saw FUD the other day. I don't know if we looked at it. But I do like the name. The one on Sui or the one on Sol? I'm going to assume the one on Sui. 10 months old. Oh my gosh. 10% today. This thing's going crazy. Let's see. I mean, it's got bullish div. Even right there. It's faint if you go right there. But if you go like from here, it's even more prominent. Bullish div is present in the daily. Let's go check out the 4-hour. Nope. Let's see what we can see. Price go up. Where's the RSI there? No, RSI is going up there as well. What about here? Nope. Okay. So there's nothing on the 4-hour. The 1-hour, nice thanks, of course. Multi-chain maxi boys. Dude, I'm so excited for Splo on Sui, but I think I got a little too excited and I held it for too long. Let's see. Okay. Nope. Damn. I get really sad when... Oh! Is that it? Is there bullish div right there? I think it is. I gotta zoom way in. Let's zoom way in. It is. Okay. No, it isn't. No, it isn't. I got a little excited. Damn it. Okay. Zoom back out. It's okay. Okay. I think this is bullish div. We got... What is that? Is that a candle? I gotta zoom in again. We got price going up. And RSI going down. There you go. There's your bullish div. Took me a second, but I found it. Splo reminds me of Quag on Sol. I believe that they shook hands on Twitter. So you got bullish div there. And this is the local bottom. Says back here. But even then, I don't know. I don't think you're allowed to break the line, though. I think that's the problem. So that's your bullish div. Let's go on to the 15. Starting to hurt my eyes a little. Let's see. Oh. I don't know. That's pretty close. Yeah, no. No, that's the same one from the 4 hour, I think. Okay. I mean, is this playing out? You got some funky bullish div here. This is like prices going up, RSI went down. Like that was like violent. Maybe that's what's playing out right now. That is on the 15-minute though. I've never seen like a RSI move like that. It's kind of funky looking. Binance soon for what? For FUD? Nice. Domo said Fartcoin getting a little run. Let's go look at Fartcoin. Guys, I ordered a GPU for my new streaming rig, and the first one broke. So I ordered the second one. Fartcoin is getting a little run. I ordered the second one. The second one, I DM'd the guy. I said, hey, can I get faster shipping on this? And he said, no, all my shipping's the same. And I was like, okay, thanks. So I ordered it anyways. And then he says it's going to get here in 3 days. It's going to take 6 days by the time it arrives. They said it was going to arrive on Friday. It didn't arrive on Friday. It spent 2 days in the same state. And then I was like, okay, it's probably going to get here on Saturday then. Saturday, the shipping updates, and it's like, it's going to arrive on Monday. So I don't know what the fuck's going on, but I'm still pissed about it. JY's Adventure said, no way Fartcoin sent. Of course Fartcoin sent. It's a fart. I showed you guys that meme of those kids at school, and somebody, or they're on, what is going on? My Twitter's fucked up. They're on a Zoom, like, school thing. Oh, no. Okay. They're on a Zoom school thing, and someone farted. And the teacher just starts cracking up, and all the kids start laughing their asses off, and it's like super wholesome. It's really funny. Medusa, Fartcoin. Yeah. Fartcoin. We're going to do some TA and Fartcoin. Oh, I got kicked off my Twitter. I'm going to have to log into that later. Popping up my stream. I do see, let's see, that's at 72.72. This went to 72.14. Okay, so it is lower. So there is very, very, very faint bearish div here. But I do think that technically played out right here with this pullback. So right now on the 1 hour, let's go to the 4 hour. Yeah, there isn't enough chart data on the 4 hour. So let's go to the 15 minute. I don't see anything. There's bearish div on this too, but again, I do think that that played out right here, maybe. The RSI performance with the price action is quite impressive. Offset ape to 1.43. The moon again. JY's Adventure said no way Fartcoin sent. Domo said silent gas. You don't smell it until it's too late. Of course, of course. Sneaks up on you. Dude, I got a funny story time. So when me and my fiance first started dating, we're in high school, and I used to get really bad gas, but we just started dating, so I was like uncomfortable to fart around her, so I would hold my farts in all day, and we would spend all day together, like over 12 hours. And my mom told me every day, she's like, you got to be home before 11. So I'm like, okay. It's like 10:55. I'm like 10 minutes away. So I would drop her off at home, and as soon as she would leave the car and I start driving away, I would just let it rip. And man, I blew up the car every single time. It was fucked up.
Why are you talking about this?
Because
on
it's
your
funny.
Live stream?
I'm not allowed to tell my fart stories. We're talking about Fartcoin.
Fartcoin.
Yes.
You guys need to stop.
We're sophisticated investors.
No, this is too much. Fartcoin? Are you fucking kidding me?
Oh, you didn't read this. This thing's out of control. This is an AI that's like creating meme coins and stuff, and it's just nonsense. Like some of it's like funky. It would be good if I could transform from a man to a woman.
What the hell?
It gets, that's not even a weird one. That's like a nice one. My cat girlfriends are Rory, Yumi, and whatever the fuck that is.
What?
It created meme coins. The meme coins are going crazy. Sometimes it's like talking about butt plugs.
What?
Yeah, it's all over the place. It's
Ew.
the funniest shit.
Why?
I don't know. I have no idea. It's just artificial intelligence, and according to the internet, it like combined meme coins and like internet memes and stuff. I don't know. This Vladimir Putin deepfake porn.
Ew.
Yeah,
What
it's
the heck?
funky. It's like the weirdest shit.
That's so weird.
But I mean, it's blowing up. Look at Fartcoin go.
Dude.
Pop said, hi, Mrs. JJ. Fahid said XRP is like holding cash. Exactly. Fahid. We were talking about this the other day, and I felt a little guilty because the XRP army can be like a bunch of assassins, but look at this shit. This is like the most depressing thing I've ever seen in crypto. That's a flat line. If you bought at launch at 50 cents, it's been 50 cents that whole time. Like there's a micro uptrend. If you got really lucky and you bought the bottom, you're up 5x. But that's 4 years ago. It's crazy. I don't know. It's crazy to me. I feel bad, but I also hold ADA, so.
Mrs. JJ.
Let's see. Bitcoin's doing good. Yeah, I like what I see. It's doing a little Batman pattern.
Tell your friend I said hi back.
Ops, Mrs. JJ said hi back. Domo said XRP is sad. I just ignore it, honestly. Yeah. I mean, I hope they get what they're looking for one day. I genuinely do. I do think that they needed to exist for the whole SEC thing to play out, for altcoins to like get their big I guess defining moment with the SEC. But I do feel like they've been kind of manhandled and taken advantage of. And I feel bad for them. I really do. And I think Ripple kind of also uses them. But I won't get into it any further. They've been kind of fucked over enough, so I'll shut my mouth about it. Guys, Fartcoin's getting a little push up. Catchy F's rugging a little bit. Medusa looks great. But 28%. Let's fucking go. Fartcoin. Yeah. I don't see anything on Fartcoin that's alarming. It just exists. Oh, yes I do. There's bearish div. But I pointed out that this probably played out right here. 70. Yeah, this is most likely what happened. This bearish dip played out. So hopefully you can get some continued upside off that. Let's see. JY's Adventures said, can you take a look at XRP on ETH, please? This is my gamble play. Harry Potter, Obama, Pac-Man, Inu. Interesting. Tony Rosa said cat ears? Question mark. He said XRP on ETH. Harry Potter, Obama, Pac-Man, and Inu. Okay. So this is a Bitcoin play. Harry Potter, Obama, Sonic, Inu. Okay. I see inverse head and shoulders right away. No bullish div. $26.98, 28.51. Okay, wait a minute. 27.46. Okay, there is bullish div right here on the 15. It's very, very faint, but it does exist if you look at the numbers, if you look very closely, which I guess might have played out right here. Yeah, 12%. That's very possible. Let's go to the higher time frames. Go to the daily. Damn. Did you buy this down here? That'd be sick. Let's see. 748% candle. Wow. Came out of nowhere. Look at this one too. 53%. 10%, 15%, 40%. Hell yeah. 49%, 61%. Liquidity's locked. I like that. It's a decent chunk of liquidity too. That's almost 25% liquidity. That's like 20% liquidity. Look at that, 21. Very nice. Oh no, right here. 8.72. 261% though. Is that double? It's through, I think that's what it is. So I think you got like 16% liquidity. I could be wrong. Don't quote me on that. But the liquidity looks good. I like it. There's people are piling in pretty hard. I would say that this is a good gamble play. People, you know, somebody knows something. 1.5 million market cap. I mean, worst case scenario, you could get a 4x if it does bad. It did just kind of completely undo this big fat ass rug though. I kind of like it. It will pump when XRP goes to 500, mark my words. Chart is disgusting. Guys, my fucking Twitter logged out. Damn it. Okay, let's add this to the watch list. Medusa, possibly pulling back. Cat GF, come on, go up, Cat GF. You can do it. Let's see. Can't believe Skynet rug fuckers. What a bunch of assholes. Let's go add Medusa to the watch list. Damn, this thing's got a 70% candle. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. I don't remember what that's from. Is this my watch list? No, this is just Deck Screener. This is Wispy. This is the one that Clint was talking about, which is hilarious. Interesting. Very interesting. Domo said, I have a question for you. What is your favorite site or swap used for discovering new meme coins other than just traditional crypto Twitters, Telegram, Discord techniques to find stuff early? Oof, to find stuff early? I don't know. So what we've been doing, and we've only been doing this for like 25, 30 days, is going on to Deck Screener and sorting by volume. Now, some of these were created months ago. Some of these were created days ago. Some of these were just created a couple of hours ago. But if you sort by volume, you can see what people are spending money on and taking money out of. because it doesn't tell you how many people are buying or selling. It just tells you that there's a lot of people doing both. So we sort by volume, and we look for stuff that's usually at least over a couple hours old, preferably a couple of days old. And I personally, I don't like to buy anything that's past double-digit market cap for my really low cap meme coins. But I'm also very new to the whole meme coin craze. Before this, I traded meme coins on Cardano. And there's no fucking volume on Cardano. So maybe that's also to my benefit, because all the Cardano memes were like less than $100,000 market cap, which is crazy on Sol. That seems like a bad play. This is 129,000 market cap, and it's rugging. See what I mean? So it's a very different animal over here on Sol, but I like to look at by volume, market cap, and age. And once I click on it, I like to check the Twitter. If the Twitter's got funny memes and the community is very active, there's a lot of like retweets and likes and replies, then it's a buy for me. Look at this queefing. This is from this fucking Truth Terminal thing, and it's only 45k market cap. See, people are creating these and then they're rugging them. So you also got to be careful with the ones that are very, very young, which is why we only put like $5 or $10 into them on stream at least. But it's definitely a gamble most of the time. Look at this guy made a different goat. That's kind of crazy. Gout. Disgusting. But yeah, we click on them. We go through the Twitter. The biggest thing is and you can't force yourself to like it just because the number's going up. You got to be truthful with yourself. But if you like something, the fact that you're in crypto shows that like you're one of the crypto people. So if you like something, the odds are somebody else is most likely going to like it as well. So you got to kind of try to have a bandwagon like thought process. Like, would I buy this? Do I think my friends would all buy this with me? What would happen? You got to kind of play it out in your head. Like Popo, I fucking love this stupid ass little rock. Is this thing mooning? Fuck yeah, I put a little more into this today. We made a lot of money on Popo. And it's just a dumb little rock. We bought it down here at 5. I think it was like $800,000 market cap. And I held it until we got to a $4 million market cap. I sold like 75-80% of our bags. It came back down, and I think right around here this morning I put another like $5 or $10 into it, and it's already at 1.9 mil, and it retraced all the way back down to 1 mil. But I went on the Twitter. The Twitter was super fun. It's a cute little rock. Let me fucking log into my Twitter really quick, guys. That shit keeps popping up. I'm gonna get fucking doxxed. Domo said, very good knowledge. Thank you, JJ. Of course, Domo. Oh shit, that's the wrong one. Hello? Okay. Here we go. Okay, log in. Alright, I gotta wait for my 2-factor code. It's so weird. Sometimes it doesn't work. Alright, we're in. Let's go refresh this. Okay, we're good to go. So we went on to Popo. It's a cute little rock. It made me laugh. I think it's a rock. It might be a frog. I don't know. It's very possible that this is a frog as well. But I think it's supposed to be like Popcat. It might be Pop-O. I don't know. But I went on here and I was like, this art's fun. And then this guy Soul Jakey is retweeting it, and he's got 131,000 followers. I was like, oh shit. This thing might go crazy. HTX is tweeting about all these. There he is right there. Popo. I think somebody else, a big exchange. What was it? CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap tweeted a picture of Popo. So like the promotional aspect of it is there. It's huge. People are talking about it. There's memes. It's fucking fun. It's funny. It made me laugh. So I bought some. And then it went crazy. And I made money. And that's literally how meme coins work. You want to buy it, you want it to go up, and you want people to make money. Everyone's going to be having a good time. Even if it's going down, people are talking about it in like a positive light. They're not losing their minds like, "Oh my god, the price is going down. Fuck this coin." When it goes down, people are screaming the whole time. They're like, "Load up. This is the last chance to get on board." It's kind of like a cult. But not all cults are bad. Technically, forgive me, technically religion is a cult by definition. Meme coins are cults. You got to find a good one and stick with it. But you can't be afraid to take profits as well. JY's Adventure said, "I never thought Medusa would do that well. I de-risked for a 2x. Still have a bag though. LOL." Well, shit, you de-risk. Maybe I should de-risk. Ooh, ow. I got a scab on my arm and I just put it straight on the desk. That hurt. Let's see. Guys, Uranus might be a really good winner, honestly. Oh, damn, Medusa is going crazy. Holy shit. It's up another 16% on the 4-hour. Sick. Yeah, this thing might run again. It is 11.2 million market cap. I don't know. I don't know. What should we do? Let's see. I'm gonna get rid of 75%. I'll leave the rest as a moon bag. That's what I'll do. Because it does look like it wants to keep going up. The volume's picking up. But I don't want to lose it all. Like I said, guys, I'm a bit of a pussy when it comes to meme coins, but I will say that is to my advantage because I take profit at the right times. Except for on Splo, because I have a soft spot for the art. But guys, Popo was a total winner. I love this stupid little... I don't know. I don't even know what to call it. Is it a rock or is it a frog? Fucking adorable. Cat GF's coming back down. Damn, we're losing our ass on Cat GF. Son of a bitch. Go to our watch list. Medusa's on there. Popo's up. Cat GF is up. Ooh. Wow. Why did we buy this? It's up 28,000%. What the fuck, guys? Oh, that's funny. That's too funny. Lock in. We're waiting. Our friend Bath turned us on to this. He said, wait for a 90% pullback. 90% pullbacks are the norm. He told us set a buy order at 0.02. So we're going to wait for it to hit that target. If it does, then we're going to buy in. He said like and subscribe, guys. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Ring the bell for notifications. Helps me out a lot when you do that. We bought XD RAR just simply for the nostalgia factor. We did ape into this instead of waiting for a pullback like a normal person should. Don't do what we do. We're dumbasses. We are the guinea pig for you to make money. You got 9 people watching, guys. Very cool. I did buy this no-name one, which I'm pretty sure fully rugged me now. Yep. Oh, well. I thought it was really funny, though. They just... There's just no name. I don't know. I thought it was a complete winner. It's fucking funny. Still 500,000 market cap. Maybe it'll do something. I'll leave it. And there's no point in selling when I only have like fucking 50 cents in there. Used car is a classic. Lope Cat. Somebody recommended this in the chat the other day. And it's been crazy ever since. Which I think is super fun. So they're probably making out like a bandit. That's very cool. Went up to a 4 million market cap. Hell yeah. Splo. Still waiting for Splo to make its epic comeback. Like I said, I'm a sucker for that art. It did have a 41% candle, but it's retracing 24% of it. So we'll see. That bullish div did finally play out though. After a couple days of me moving that line. Apu Cat. This one's for Fahid. This one's going up. It looks good. 10% candle for on the daily. So you got 16 plus 10. You're up 26% since yesterday. Very cool. The liquidity to the market cap is not as good as I'd like it to be, but it's not bad. It hasn't rugged, so we got that going for you. PP's doing good. 6 or 13% on the 6 hour. Very good. Boomer. Flying Spaghetti Monster's doing good, making a little comeback. Dark Magician Girl making a little comeback. See, guys, this is why we don't sell these old coins. Like, what do we... It pulls back and we only have $1 left. What the fuck's the point? We're going to spend most of it on the transaction to sell it. Like, what's it worth? $6? That's what I put in. It's at the same price. I'm just going to wait. Flying Spaghetti Monster's still above our buy. Doing very good. We had a moon bag we sold up here. I did not know this, but apparently when they hit $1 million market cap, their plan, and they executed on that plan. They donated 100 spaghetti dinners to a local food shelter, or local food bank. So that was kind of cool. Dark Magician Girl is below our buy, but we had a 15 target for this, and it went up here, this first wick right here, went up to 12.45, and we decided to sell. We didn't want to be greedy. So we got out in a profit on Dark Magician Girl. I am a Yu-Gi-Oh nerd, guys, and I will brag about this. I have this in the closet behind me. When I do my face reveal, I might break it out. No shame. I have the classic one. I do not have the remake. I have the original, and it's fucking badass. You wish you were this cool. It's got like lights and shit for you to keep track of your score. And you can like press a button and this thing fucking like flings open like a fucking blade. Standby mode. Like it's less in the way when it's in standby mode. I don't know what engineer designed that, but they're a goddamn genius. Absolutely love it. But yeah, guys, that is our meme coin portfolio. Sol is taking a little chill pill. So is ETH. ETH went crazy. Look at that. That's awesome. Total 3 is taking a little chill pill too. Let's go to the 4 hour. The 4 hour looks better. Hell yeah. Bitcoin. Everything looks great, guys. Hopefully we can get continued upside. It is 3:20 p.m. I'm probably going to call it a stream. Keep an eye out, though. We will be on again later for the daily and the weekly close. I appreciate you guys for being here. Hit the like button on your way out. Happy Sunday. I'll see y'all later. Actually, I'm sorry. We got Mr. Roberts came in a little bit late. He said caught a little Sunday live. Keep it up, JJ. Thoughts on Michi? Let's go look at Michi really quick before we end the stream. Surprise comeback. Did you guys exit? Let's go look at Michi. We did look at this the other day. I do like this. This is hilarious. Made me laugh. It's got all the right things for me to buy. I mean, let's do some TA. There's no... If there is bearish div, it's very, very faint, and in my opinion, not worth worrying about. It's going up 171. The market cap is insanely high. But that's not a bad thing. It hasn't rugged. Yeah, the bearish div does not exist on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour really quick. There's bullish div right here. 4 hour bullish div. Price going up. RSI going down. So this could potentially curl up and break up to the upside. 1 hour. Bullish div here too. Price going up. RSI going down. Maybe that's playing out. Hard to say. But it is there. Yeah, I think it looks good. Be careful. The liquidity is a little bit low for how high the market cap is. So if people got enough of a bag, they could one clip it. So keep an eye on that. But other than that, there's no other red flags in the chart. I like it. Very memeable. Looks good. Real good on the daily. So yeah, I'll leave you guys with that. Thanks for stopping by. Tune in later. Happy Sunday.